Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for a fun kitchen tool. This is the 5-blade Spiralizer by Zalik. I want to thank them again for collaborating with me on these videos. This is going to be my last unboxing of their kitchen tools, and I'm really excited about this one because it is definitely easy to use and makes for very quick meal prepping. So let's jump right into it. So when you take the product out of the box, it is already assembled, so you don't have to do any of that, and the instructions are very easy to follow along to, so that's really nice. And of course you want to clean the product before using. It comes with a brush, so you don't have to worry about cutting your fingers because the blades are really sharp. And like I said, this is a 5-blade Spiralizer. 2 of the blades are stored inside of this acrylic holder, and all of the blades are labeled for you, so that's a bonus. You don't have to worry about figuring out which blade is going to create what spirals. So yeah, definitely a bonus. And the last 3 blades are on the device, so 2 comes stored at the bottom, and then 1 is already inside of the blade rack, ready to use, but you can always switch it out. And it has a release button, so if you need to remove the blade rack for washing, then that's how you will do it. Now you also have a suction at the bottom, so you can go ahead and secure it to your countertop, and you don't have to worry about it moving around while you're trying to use it, because that can be very dangerous. And all you do is turn the handle in the front counterclockwise to suction it to your countertop, and that's all you have to do for prepping the machine for use. And now comes the fun part, spiralizing your food. Now the first blade I'm going to show you is for creating curly fries. You do have instructions on how to cut the potato in your instructions manual. You do want to slice the potato down the middle some if you want to create potato shreds, but if not, if you just want it to be long curly fries, then you don't have to do any slicing of the potato. Just attach it the way I'm showing you. You want to take your left hand on the handle grip and your right hand on the spiral handle. And as you're holding the handle grip, you do want to press forward with it just to keep it moving into the blade. And you want to turn the spiral handle clockwise to go ahead and start slicing. Now this one is definitely my favorite Spiralizer. It is extremely easy to use, no fuss at all with operating this product, and I highly recommend it, guys. I love it so much. And if you want to get your hands on it, I will have the information in the description box. You can find this on Amazon, so definitely go and check it out. And I really appreciate you guys watching these unboxings. I really enjoy doing them, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.